Hello, I'm Mike.
I'm Riza. We're proud parents of two wonderful kids named Mika.
And Marta. Mika is a creative kid and very focused.
Si Marta, she's very active and so makulit. Sobra.
Ang bilis lumaki ng mga bata. As they grow old, their needs are different. Currently, they co-sleep with us in the master bedroom.
Magkatabi silang matulog. But then, ngayon, gusto nila separate.
Mika already asked us to have her own space.
Mas prefer niya yung gamit niya at the same time yung bed niya sa iisang area lang. Unlike ang nangyayari sa amin ngayon na yung area ni ate and ni Marta, may portion na nandun sa kids room, may portion na nasa amin.
At this stage, we recognize na it's critical to have their own space, lalo na para kay Mika. Nade-develop na niya yung kanyang personality, while si Marta, since she's looking forward lagi sa ate niya, gusto din niya na makipag-band sa ate niya while doing her own stuff naman. Kailangan na talaga to convert the kids room to a dedicated bedroom for those kids.
Gusto lang namin siyang gawing tama for the kids.
Ang goal natin dito is to create a functional, comfortable space and safe environment for Mika and Marta. We want to make sure na kahit na magkasama sila sa room, they have their own little space to do what they want.
Crucial kasi dito is yung tamang balance between independence and quality time together eh. Kaya we aim to design a room na lalaki kasama nila to support that.
Mika is in grade 6. She really spent a lot of time sa study area niya. She had an Alex desk before. So we improved it by adding accessories, additional storage for her art materials. This space will now be perfect for her drawing session and focus sa pag-aaral.
Si Martha naman is very playful talaga. Kaya for her special area, naglagay tayo ng generous storage for her trinkets and toys. Pero this time, was improved now with ultra-fast storage units to keep things tidy. We chose an extendable bed frame for her bed. Busung's extendable feature is a perfect fit because as she grows, the bed can easily be adjusted. Plus, it saves you money in the long run, preventing the need to purchase a new one as she gets older.
We created an open area sa center ng room dedicated to their bonding moments. Another important thing we added here are these clear individual storage para iwas away sa shared items.
This space ensures na may lugar pa rin si Mika at Martha para mag-bonding and to strengthen their relationship bilang magkapatid.
Pagpasok ni Marta, yung unang word na lumabas sa kanya is, "Wow! Amazing!" Yung nag-stand out talaga sa akin is nagkaroon sila ng clear separation. So meron ng area na si Marta at the same time from the other side is for Mika. It significantly reduced yung confusion at the same time yung conflict among themselves.
And knowing that the room was built with the safety features, kampante kami na iwan namin sila sa bedroom. We recognize that having their own space will make them continue to develop and they will have their own identities.
Madi-develop yung sense of responsibility nila.
And definitely, given na may separate na space sila, mas mapapakita ni Mika how to grow and to become organized. Tingin namin yun naman yung hinahanap ni Marta kay ate niya eh. Since they're sharing the same room, so expecting na si ate will be much more ate now with Marta.